caribou seat. Patrick's taken out. Already took one out of the box, but there they are. Got a little back pocket back here. Frame rail, or the seat rail is going to mount down here. All right, guys, we're getting ready to unbox. This is a Corbeau seat bracket. These are going to be the brackets that go onto this frame rail that we have here for our seats, which tie into the row bar. You can see where they tie in there. And we're making brackets for that, so Pat's just going to go ahead and unbox it. Alright. So we have two of these for the driver and passenger. So now we're just gonna put the seat brackets to the seat. That way we can test fit them. This is for the driver's side. Line them up right through there. We use the first slot. Let's see. These islands come with the seats. The seat brackets don't. Pay extra for those. Okay, so now we have that attached. Now we have the seat bracket attached to the seat. So 15 3/4 is what you're gonna do. This needs to be 15 3/4. Lock it. Oh, there you go. Looks like it fits pretty good. Let's go ahead and tack it in.
Yeah.
All right.
15.
Okay, let's get the welder out and burn her in. There we go. So we got that all welded in there. We're gonna let it cool down. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and tack weld the bolts for the seat brackets to our seat frame rail. Okay, just gonna put some tack welds on there. Alright, there we go. So we got all the bolts just kind of tacked on there. Now we're going to burn them in all the way. Putting a coat of paint on it. This should be about 15 inches. Okay, we'll let this dry and we'll throw the seats in. Ratchet. They actually recline quite a bit, don't they?
We do more for television more.
Yep.
But if you really want to get more out of it, just
Yep.
watch it.
And there we go. We got them all mounted. This is the passenger side. Still got to do the driver. Here's the map pocket. You can run harnesses through here if you'd like. Feel pretty good? Good. Good seatbelt on. There you go. Cool. Okay. That's great. All right, guys. We got the seats completely installed. You can see them there. See the you can see the runners. It was a fairly straight install, not too difficult. Just a little bit of welding, making a couple brackets. We already had the subframe from our other seats that we did a while ago. And there we go. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.